So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add keywords or tags to a Fiverr gig. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com. On there you will see Fiverr, the search bar, upgrade to pro, notifications, messages and lists, and you will need to go to your profile. On here you can see the profile. And you can scroll down a bit to get to the seller mode. On the seller mode, you can see the quick link to gigs, and once you click on that, you'll see the option to add and create a new gig. Now on there, once you scroll pretty much all the way down, you will see the option for search tags and positive keywords. So you can enter search terms you feel your buyers will use when looking for your service, so you create some sort of gig. If it's graphics design, you put in that tag word. So if it's some other services like painting or lessons, put in that keyword, and you can even talk to their customer support or rather Fiverr support which keywords will suit your gig the best and your services the best. You can see here logo design, media kit, and so on. So anything that you think has to do with you and your service, you should put in, maybe even your username, since it's going to be easier for future employers to find you on Fiverr by adding the correct keywords and tags that you can add. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.